blacktop stretches out for days. How could I get so close to you and still feel so far away? I hear a voice come on the wind saying you and I will meet again. I don't know how, I don't know when, but you and I will meet again. Hey there, folks. Welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. Of course, this is You and I Will Meet Again. It's off the Into the Great Wide Open Heartbreakers album, Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. A great track. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I am using a capo on the 2nd fret. Not sure if the band used a capo or not on this one. I just prefer the voicing. So I'm going to teach this lesson with a capo on 2. If you can see my black capo there on the guitar, on my Martin guitar. A little hard to see, but it's on 2. And again, I'm going to call the chords with the capo on 2. So we're going to start with an A, or it could be an A, A7. There's different variations. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing here, but I'm just going to start the little introduction and kind of like the interlude piece. It's sort of like it's like an A to a D. You probably could play it a lot of different ways. Again, I'm calling those chords with the capo, but I'm just going to start with an A. And then I'm just going to slide the A up to the 7th fret with the capo. I'm going to do an A7 shape, a little 2-finger chord. It's a D, kind of a D variation, right? Because it would be a D bar chord. So you could play 3 fingers. I like the 2-finger. I just like the little sound there better. So I'm going to do something like this. Again, I'm not saying this is exactly what they're doing, but I think it gets you close. So it's A, that little, and then I usually keep the A7th now and just keep that shape going. So something like that. Just A. We'll call it a D, but it's not a D. And then we're going to start the verses. So it's an A to a G to a D to a G, A. Repeat. A to a G to a D, G, A to a B minor. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret. A B minor to a G, D, G, D, G, D, and then back to that A intro. Then the same thing, that A, G, D, G, A. One more time. G, D, G, A, B minor, G, D, G, D, G, D, then that A riff, or whatever you want to call it. I got a feeling, that's just a G, D. I got a G, D, so A. Back to G, D, G, D, and A, that riff. A red-winged hawk is circling, the blacktop stretches out for days. How could I get so close to you and still feel so far away? All the same B minor. I hear a voice come on the wind saying G and D, will G and D. I B minor, don't know how. I G and D, but G and D, will G and D, A. That's it, folks. I'm going to leave this short and sweet. It's a cool song. You and I Will Meet Again by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. Keep your comments and your support coming. Definitely helps me keep going, keeping the Judge Timbers channel going with fresh material, as they say, fresh content. Really enjoying it. I am winding down my Tom Petty songs, but we got some more to go, so we'll keep the Saturday night show on for a while. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you all next Saturday night with another Tom Petty lesson. Take care.